Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's explore this one of the famous boardwalk in the Philippines. Naga City Boardwalk. One of the prides of the Cebu province, the Naga City Boardwalk and Park. Love, faith, hope. The Naga City Boardwalk offers a fantastic panoramic view of the bay that gives a relaxing ambience. Perfect place to chill and unwind with your family and friends. The best part is that there is no entrance fee, so giving this place a visit is one of the many inexpensive things to do in Cebu. Naga Boardwalk is open 24 hours. The exact location is in Cebu South Road, City of Naga, Cebu, Philippines. The Naga City Boardwalk is approximately 1.5 hours away from Cebu City, though it will take around 2 hours to trip during rush hours. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.